Welcome to this box breathing practice. This technique is incredibly effective if you're feeling stressed, anxious, angry, agitated, hyper, frazzled, wired, or tense. It's also very useful if you need to perform in some way that's stressing you out, like taking an exam or doing some public speaking. You might also find it helpful if you're struggling with insomnia, either having a tough time falling asleep or getting back to sleep in the night. In a moment, I'll guide you through the practice, but once you've got the hang of it, feel free to just do it on your own. Try using this technique for anywhere between 1 and 5 minutes, and you should notice a dramatic difference in your physical and emotional state. When I spend some time breathing this way, I notice my body starts to feel really heavy and relaxed. And the longer I breathe in this way, the calmer and more relaxed I feel. Start by adjusting your body, rolling your shoulders back, opening up the chest and sitting with an upright but relaxed posture. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you, or just lower and soften your gaze. Start breathing as deeply as possible in through your nose for a count of 4 seconds, feeling your abdomen inflate like a balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold that breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then breathe out through your mouth, letting your abdomen deflate and trying to get every bit of air out of your body for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold again for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start the whole cycle again. Deep breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. All the air out for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. In. Hold. Out. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Now just keep breathing, counting the breaths yourself. If you like, while you're breathing, you can visualize a square in your mind, the sides lighting up in turn with each stage of the practice. But if that's confusing, just drop the visualization and focus on your breathing. Just check in to make sure you haven't got distracted and lost the breath. If so, it's not a problem. Just breathe with me. In, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold. And now just continue breathing in silence, counting the breaths yourself until you hear the bell.